Hello guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon from whichever place you're watching us from. My name is the Cooking Village Wife, and this here is
My good name is Claude Joseph,
uh-huh.
guys. I'm a lovely husband to African village cooking wife.
African Village Cooking Wife.
Yes,
The Cooking Village Wife.
African village cooking wife.
I confused him. He was like, "Man, why are you doing this? Why are you changing your name again to this?" Guys, I'll give that story time another day.
Yeah,
But in the meantime, is African
village
the
cooking
cooking
wife. Alright, guys.
In the meantime, it's the Cooking Village Wife. No, I like doing that so that I get confused more, but I won't. It's the Cooking Village Wife. Guys, check me out. And we are on Melo Howie's YouTube channel. We want to push this guy. At least it's been dormant. And thank you so much for subscribing and liking and watching the videos.
Absolutely.
And yeah, and he's here to support this channel also, so that at least we can grow and
also get to 1K subscribers.
Yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, so how are you?
I'm good. I give thanks to Almighty God for the gift of life, and also I'm so much grateful for our subscribers who are coming back to watch our videos, or for the returning subscribers who always come back to watch our videos, share and comment, and also encourage us on the other way. God, Almighty God, bless you abundantly and bless you also each and every single day. Never cease to help by the advices and also watching these videos of ours. Yeah.
Wow. Guys, this guy has been busy. Oh my god, I haven't even sat down to do such kind of videos in a while, and getting a hold of him has been like, oh, it has been hectic. He's busy up and down. We had like a lot of activities going on at the orphanage. We had a lot of activities. We had a funeral. We had a sick baby was sick here. We had our farm. He has been a farmer. He started being busy when he started his farming, and then we came the orphanage, came the BV, and now he's still busy. But today I'm grateful for taking your time to just have this sit down and let's get to share and let people know how you're doing.
Yeah, absolutely.
So how are you doing?
For now, it's a mixed up. I might be fine over here, but deep down I might be suffering. So the good thing is,
so what are you doing? Are you suffering? Are you good? What's going
both.
on? Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but it's just a mixture. So sometimes deep down I'm suffering because of some other stuff. On the other hand, I'm very health-wise. I'm okay. Ideologically, I'm also okay, but a lot of them are coming, and when you're told that you have a lot of ideas in the head, it might deliver to stress. So I don't want to make it to be a stress. But anyway, guys, we are here, and I'm always grateful. I'm doing well. I'm doing well in terms of progresses, in terms of health-wise. I'm doing well. But yeah.
Wow, that's nice to know, because you've been like, guys, he has lost a lot of weight from what you can do. A lot a lot of weight, I'm telling you. I know. it's not
You see, guys,
and nothing. The biceps are going. No, you need to, he's become more leaner.
Don't touch.
I don't touch.
Don't touch.
Okay, I am not touching. The biceps, lest I trigger them, they grow bigger. Anyway, thank you so much for the hard work that you've been doing. You've done a lot behind the scenes, and you've been there for a lot of us, a lot of people here, your family, our family. You've been there for a lot of people.
Thank you.
May God will bless you so much for having such kind of a big heart,
Thank you.
generous heart and kind heart, in how you've treated people and how you've managed people, and everything that you've done generally has been amazing. And if no one has told you that, let me be the first person to tell you, thank you for all that you've done and your dedication to everything that has been going on.
Thank you.
Yes. Oh. I know. So how has been farming for you? Let me start from farming, guys. I want you to know how he's doing. I want you guys to get to know and appreciate what he's doing. So I want to know how he's farming currently, and from way before you started, or before we got to where we are right now. How has farming been for you since you're a farmer now?
Farming is jeopardizing.
Jeopardizing?
Yeah.
What does it jeopardize?
Jeopardizing.
Takes a
One
lot.
thing is, on the other side, it's a mix of a lot.
Okay.
Yeah, it's consuming. On the other end, it's giving. So for you to become a farmer, even when you're growing kales, you're also regarded as a farmer.
Of course.
When you're growing chicken, you're regarded as a farmer. When you're keeping animal, or when you're rearing animal, you're regarded as a farmer. So like me, I'm a farmer who is based on different varieties of crops, starting from cash crop to what we call like home use crops. Yeah, so sometimes it's a lot, it's a mix of a lot, where you need to balance your equations, you know, you have
Well.
to balance your equations well. Like the farm is not on the same locality. The farms are on different places, so sometimes it's consuming when you are like, okay, tomorrow I'll be basing on the other farm, and when it reaches tomorrow, when tomorrow comes, let me say when tomorrow comes, you are more extra busy with the farm which is near, and you forget the other one.
Yeah.
But you always have to balance, you know.
Okay.
So with me, I really feel like farming is really a bet that you never lose, because something that you see, and something that you see as it grows, and the moment as your crops grows, or as the animal grows, you feel better, and you're like, oh, at least tomorrow we'll be having this, and or I'll never sleep hungry because I have kills nearby. I can just have
You never go to a loss completely. At least
Yeah,
you'll
yeah.
always have something to take home.
something to take home.
Wow, guys, it's been farming a lot. I know we have been farming a lot. Let me just say that, just because I support you. Yeah, maize. We have watermelons. We have had
Beans.
We've had like
Beans.
skuma wiki. We have cabbages. We have a lot of things. Some of our seed beds have refused to grow.
Some have been washed away.
Some have been washed away. So it's
Even behind here, you have oh, let me come. Let me
Correct,
show.
okay,
Let me show you the good and the best thing of farming. All right?
okay.
Just watch me.
Okay.
Don't watch. Just sit there.
I'm sitting here. What are you going to get? Is there something? Oh! Oh my God! He went to.
I just watched back, and I saw something very beautiful. My banana.
Your
My
banana.
banana. I wish I could have eaten this on camera, but I won't. So this
Wow.
will be going back. So the gift of farm, you never go just like you never go unrewarded.
Yeah.
You see, like this one, though it's small, but it's appreciating. You understand? And I just plucked it
Right now.
right now. So this one will be Maria. At least will be blended for it, and Maria will have to enjoy this.
The fresh juice.
Yeah. Wow. All right, man.
Wow, that's nice. That's now that those are some of the benefits of farming. At least you keep getting something small, and small.
Yeah.
And thank you for the good work.
Yeah,
You've been keeping the family fed. People are full. Their stomachs are full because of you.
Yeah.
And yeah, it feels
It's
good.
Joseph.
Oh,
It's Joseph.
that's just as well.
Yeah, sometimes you will be rejected. How many times sometimes people will reject you? But by the end of the road, they're like, they still face back and say, hey, CJ, is anything there okay? And that's why I say, oh, blessings are coming. I'll never reject.
Okay.
And I say, oh, now you wronged me the other day. I'll not give you this. I just say, okay, how much do you want? How large do you need this? Okay, I have this. Or maybe just say, I have a quart of this. Have it and never pay back. That's how we do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. So another thing I wanted to know. So like in a nutshell, farming has been okay, has been amazing.
Yeah.
At least from him, it's been beneficial to us, all of us, and we've seen it. We haven't really been hungry or not had something to eat. At least we have something. Even if when you're on low finances, at least you'll get vegetables, you'll get whatever, you'll get everything. You can sell some and buy sugar. That's also
Like honestly speaking,
Huh?
since I started farming, I don't remember when I was called that, oh, bring veggies home, because I love veggies, and also when my grandma used to be alive, she used to love veggies, like because of her diet, she used to have she must, every meal must have veggies.
Yeah.
So that used to be a very big challenge, like you have to buy. No. So since I started farming, and this came hand in hand, I've never taken even a single coin from my pocket that I'm buying vegetables.
That's very true.
Yeah.
And we've planted around here.
Around here, every corner.
We decided to utilize every part of.
Yeah, until sometimes people were complaining, where do you want us to farm?
Where are you going to put the goats?
But anyway, guys, my good encouragement is, if you have any place or any place for you to farm, just put even a small kitchen garden, and you'll thank me later.
Yeah.
You know?
So
Yeah.
Now let me go straight to the next point question. How you, I saw you working at the orphanage. I actually, we started going there, and then now I left it for him to keep going because I was busy with other things. So how has it been there?
It has been both a journey of rough and smooth.
Okay.
You know, every part, you know, it must have good and worst part. So on this side, it has been I can say it has been a positive area, because it's both of the other side of exercising your honesty, and on the other side is the part of exercising your patience, and also on the other hand is the art of showing humanity.
Okay.
You know, so in that regard, therefore, there's what we call, like, as we speak right now, there are a lot of projects that are stranded. Reason being, I'm not active there right now.
Okay.
But sometimes when we be active, through the aid of subscribers, for their trustworthy, for their honesty to share with me whatever little they have, and we combine together and we make the motives work, and sharing also what we call, like, what we have towards the mission of the kids who are there.
Okay.
You know, they're not like maybe my Maria or my Angel or my Melo who will be here. I see that is there, or mom is there. With them, they always watch towards one person, and they're like, oh, we need food, we need this, we need to put on, we need to do this. So it's a call upon everybody who is willing, with good heart of support, with good heart of helping, so that they can send anybody who, not the mother, they can be Claude Joseph, but anybody who they trust, they're like, okay, I trust this, they can help this.
Okay.
So yeah, working at the orphanage has really taught me a lot. It has both taught me patience, it has taught me how to think, also to how to think as you maybe talk to others, and also on the other hand, it has taught me how to show your honesty. You know, sometimes you cannot show what you call, like, if you're honest, you're honest.
That's
You
very
cannot
true.
pretend that you're honest. You
Yeah.
will be shown, it will be broad light shown, this the guy.
Can I add something?
Yes.
One thing I know for sure, that, like me, I think that you've learned the hard way, and they, like, you've learned, like, and you've tried that aspect of patience. You're
Yeah.
a very patient person. Oh God,
Yeah.
guys.
That's why I say that
Sometimes can I speak freely?
Yeah,
Okay.
freely, yeah.
Sometimes we have people who support us. There's the ones who support the orphanage. Guys, you can meet people, have different people are different. Let me tell you, people are cultured differently. Some, like, there are people who really can really micromanage you, and you feel like you want to give up. But he's very patient. Me, I'm not. On the other hand, I'm not. Especially, they some think, oh, maybe they've sent you money, you're going to eat it, or you're eating it, or you have a lot of things, or you're printing receipts, or you're doing all this, blah 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 blah. It's a lot of like, it's like a turmoil. But this guy was able, there's one situation he was able to just calm down and be patient and not react, and he just, and then he worked swiftly, and and managed to smooth, and that was very commendable of you. Me, on the other hand, I don't think I could have managed, because I don't know,
on the other hand, it was a simulation of also grandma.
Yeah.
Sometimes I was like, if I overthink, I might also find myself in the hospital, because granny was sick, and sometimes somebody might send you maybe money, and maybe they think you're going to squander it, or you're going to eat, or going to spend it through your grandma. So I was like, I've been undergoing with the same situation with grandma for more than 3 years. So today, how will I manage to use your money? And already the receipts are out to help with granny. But I knew everything was gone, and I was like, patience with
he has that virtue. Me, I don't think, like, I'm patient, but I don't. It's just little like this, because I can go guns blazing. Like, him is very patient. I'm like, oh, there are situations whereby he's right, but he has to apologize and he's still right, and he's still, like, he has not done anything wrong, but he's forced to apologize to some people, because they feel like they are, because they're not on the ground. They feel like there are things that are going on, and they feel like their things are not being right. So he kept apologizing until the time, like, I told him, no, it's never that. It's not worth your peace. It was even draining him. He was also he started losing weight a long time ago. But I'm so proud of you for being that resilient and focusing on the children and saying that these things must go to the kids until weight stopped, you know.
Yeah, absolutely. And
Yeah, that's very nice.
it's okay. We still we are still. It's only that I was mourning recently, and we had a funeral. Hopefully, when the well wishers also reach out, we will continue. You have a started what you call like dormitory that is not yet, fencing is not yet, kids fooding is not yet, and also hopefully when Pastor Esther comes back,
She's not yet back.
I don't think if she's not yet back,
Okay.
because it has been a long time since we communicated.
Yeah.
So it has been okay, and I'm living. I'm living a life that maybe God selected. Okay, Claude, you have to live this life.
Yeah.
So it's only
That's
you to
very.
balance.
I'm very very proud of
life
you.
without complaint.
And that heart really needs a special people, and is one of those special people. Yeah. So anyway, good work down there, and for the tremendous the dormitory that was done, and the feeding and all that, you did amazing.
Absolutely.
Anyway, now let's go to the next topic, guys. We've been having Bibi for a while. She has been sick for almost since I met her. She wasn't that sick, but it's almost 3 years ago. I met when her health had started deteriorating. So a little bit of just a small, maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes story of how she started being sick.
Baby started being sick early 2020, early 2021.
Early 2021.
Early 2021, 2022, where she started showing what you call signs of being sick. Because Baby used to be she couldn't sit in this chair. She used to be huge. Yeah, she used to be very huge. She used to have her own chair. Whenever she could sit in this chair, whenever she's trying to wake up, she'd wake up with this chair.
She stand up on the chair, stuck on her hips.
Yeah, it's stuck on her hips. But sometimes when time was going by, she started like now sitting on this chair freely, and I started noticing something wrong. And that's when she got sick, she was taken to the hospital, and she was recognized with diabetic type 1. And then when she came back home, you know, sometimes people would be like, no, it's not okay, we have no lineage of being diabetic. So when I'm far away, when I started traveling, she could be fed maybe sugary things. Even herself, she was not accepting it. She could go to the nearby shop here, drink a lot of sodas, eat ripe bananas.
Oh, she was in denial.
Yeah, she was in denial. She wasn't like, you know, that much into accepting that she's diabetic. And then, you know, when she stopped taking medicine, she was very normal. Very normal. So she never knew that maybe it's coming now into big type 2 now. So in 2022, 2023, when now we started traveling around, up and down. So when I was far away, they were not trying to check on her diet until I came back again. But now her skin was deteriorating, just having some over-counter medicines just to balance that. In 2024, when now we met.
When in 2023?
Yeah, we met in 2023 December, right? When
no.
Almost December.
No, before the party. Wait, 2 months before the party.
It was October.
Before your birthday.
Yeah, it was
like a month before your birthday.
Yeah. So that's why we met with you, and when she used to help me to wash my clothes.
Yeah, I saw her doing that.
Baby used to wash my clothes, and she was like, I'm exercising. Sometimes I could tell her, no, let me bring some, or let me wash, because she used to know that I'm always out shooting videos. And sometimes, guys, if you used to see me very clean out there, it's my grandma. She used to be like, I know this is your office, and I don't want you to repeat a cloth. That's why you saw me in every video. It used to be very rare for me to shoot a video with the same clothes that I shoot with. That was the aid of my grandma. She would be like, that's your office, I want you to look clean. Even if you go out there, just you'll meet a girl who is clean as you.
Yeah.
And she used to be like, you know, this life, I want you to have, because I had a house already, and it was kind of not much decorated, but I had a house. She was like, so I want, when you come back, when with the lady, she'll be taking care of you as the way I'm taking care of you. So she used to wash my clothes. Even when we met with you, she was
yes, I met her.
We met a time where grandma, when you washed my clothes for the first time, and grandma was like, bring those clothes here and wash.
Yeah, the first time I washed his clothes, and we were still friends then.
Yeah.
And the first time I washed his clothes, the grandma was like, no.
Bring those clothes here.
She ordered me to bring the clothes so that she can wash. She didn't want
There's
me
some
even to
certain
touch.
clothes that Bibi
She
told
didn't
her.
want me to touch her clothes, his clothes at all. So I was like, wow, okay. Even she was like, no, bring yours too. I was like, no.
So you can see the love of Bibi.
Yeah.
So through that, actually, she was still undergoing what you call like medical, and then just like that, we took her to the hospital again when we were with you. That was early 2024 now, around January. There.
Yeah.
That's where we took Bibi to the hospital.
Now that's
now.
what it started being serious.
It started being serious. I almost found her fainting. By that time we were in the Airbnb, and something really pushed me like, no, don't even drink this tea, just rush home. So she was forcing me, have tea, have breakfast. I really left that cup. It was cup full of tea and bread and jam. I was like, no, I'm not taking it. Let me just go home and see. I'm not feeling okay. So the moment I arrived here, I found Bibi sitting on the veranda there on my house. And the moment she saw me, she started like falling. Like she was like, so the moment I just rushed to greet her, she collapsed. So I was like, I called her, oh, Bibi is not okay. So they came with the car from Mutajuna, and then we took her to the hospital. That's where now Bibi was diagnosed, and it was like the sugar levels has raised, blood sugar, and also blood pressure has raised. And also she had malaria by that time, so it was a mix up of all diseases. So she was admitted almost for 2 weeks. There's where now everybody knew that Bibi was very, very, very sick. And also I'm very much grateful for you guys. You really came at hand and you helped us. So it's a journey of almost 4 years.
Wow,
Bibi. And we have never been tired of her. Even Bibi died on my hands as I was feeding her. So I don't want to give much story about
so who was really now? Who was really Bibi to you? Who was she to you other than your grandmother?
Bibi was more than a grandma. She was more than a mom to me. She was a mentor. Bibi was more than a mom to me. I'm telling you guys. Despite that I have a mom, but Bibi was more than my mom to me, because she was somebody who will come and check on your skin and say, hey, nowadays you're not eating. I'll make sure you have to start eating. You know, sometimes she could see a people maybe like, no, I'll just do massage for you. You need massage. Bibi did a very nice massage. I remember she once did a very nice massage to me. So she was a therapist to me. On the other hand, she was a mentor. She was a teacher to me. She was more than a mother. She was like, I can say, from her heavenly father, I can regard my grandma as our earthly god to me, because she used to be a person who used to speak blessings to me every single time. And also she used to be somebody who taught me how to love people, how to never neglect people, how to be welcoming to people, and how now just to share with others. Because Bibi, even if she has kept food for you, even if it's just one banana, and you have come with maybe 5 guys, she'll not be ashamed to bring that one banana. She'll just tell you, you know, I just kept this for you and you have come with friends, so make sure everybody has gotten this. So it's you to decide to say no or to share with it. She had no filters that, oh, now she'll call you, come. Can't hear you eat. No.
You love to share.
Even if it's the food is just 2 or 3 spoons and then it's over, she'll bring it in the face of everybody and tell you, this is what is in the house, so you just share. Even if somebody just lick like this, as long as you have tasted it, and she'll be there watching you, everybody to eat, and then okay, that's it. That's how grandma used to be. Yeah.
Anyway, now how
and I remember, this is just a short story. I remember even when Jamaican grandma when first visited here, Bibi also, may her soul rest in peace, village grandma, Jamaican grandma. When the first time they came here, grandma made sure that she has used pocket money to go buy, I don't know if it's soda, because that time I wasn't around, soda to buy it. And then when also a visitor came, Adela, the Mzungu.
Yeah, Adela.
Bibi made sure that she has bought a very big fish for Adela, and just forced Adela to say, I want you to eat this African fish. Sit there. Adela ate dry. you know. So that's what I'm telling you, like baby was a therapist, was more than a teacher,
And a friend.
was more than a mother, and was very, very friendly. Baby could tell you just in your face, you never hide you. She tell you this is wrong and this is wrong, whether you take it in heart, whether you forgive. That's how baby used to be.
How has her health, maybe her health and death affected you, changed you, or affected you?
On the other hand, like baby's health really made me to really feel there's something that I felt. Uh, at times I couldn't, because of her health and the diet. Sometimes I couldn't eat because she has refused to eat. And also, you know, her health started deteriorating, and there's no way that I could have. I don't know if it's something that is making sense to you guys. That on the other hand, I could make sure I could just deny myself out there that, oh, my grandma need to buy, maybe she needs fish, so this money that I have, I don't want to eat maybe lunch or for this time maybe I have to enjoy, so let me buy fish for her and we'll go share with her. Sometimes I'll make sure, I used to make sure that Bibi has eaten before me eating. So through that health, like trying to balance, my health really deteriorated. And sometimes while watching her skin, her health deteriorating, it really affected my mind. Like there's no way I can eat, become thin, and baby's health is really not okay. So till, you know, sometimes I accepted it when sometimes she could hold me and tell me, my son, she could call me, there's a name she used to call me, you know, it's in Kikuria way, you know, just you have to eat, you have to eat with me, I'm okay. But there's a time I could tell her, you eat, then when you eat, I'll eat. So that's when she could have maybe 2 or 3 sips of porridge, and I'll tell her, okay, now it's my turn to eat. And she'll be like, okay, go eat. Until the last breath that she breathed on my hands. You know? I don't know if that thing did come out of my head, but sometimes we are acting okay, but deep down we are hurting.
It's hurting. Yeah. I know. Yeah. So she's been an amazing person and an amazing friend. I remember her massaging me. Remember when I was pregnant and she told me to come and massage me? That's when I realized like she could not, her hand was not really. She told me to lie, go get a lasso, tie yourself, lie on your stomach, flat on your stomach, and then you lie on the side. Then she was trying to massage me, her hand was going like this. So oh God, it's not going to work. And I was really prepared for that massage. But then now she was generally, you could see her good soul, you could see her good intentions, you could see her good spirits. But anyway, that is life, and that's the journey for every individual on earth. Yeah, so I want to tell you not to take really, of course you have the right to mourn whichever way you want to mourn, whether it's now, forever, that's up to, you know, that's the individual journey. But also remember to prioritize yourself. You've done well, you've really done amazing, you've done exemplary well. Like, no, I haven't seen any other person with so much dedication to even maybe a grandmother other than you. You're like a good example to most people, even us. Me, have my grandmother, I don't even take care of her. Either the most you can do is maybe send 100, or not send some money, 100, 200, 1,000, whatever amount, because she has an access. But you took it upon yourself to do it by yourself, physically by yourself, and it has been amazing. And I hope I've been a good support to you.
Yeah, you have.
I hope I've added a bit of value, if not so much. And
no,
you know, we did well. You know,
sometimes you accepted us to come back home.
Yeah.
And deal with what is it to be dealt with.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, she has been a very big support to me, and also you subscribers. Also, you have been.
Oh yeah.
A lot of support from you. Like, okay, today we'll be buying BB some diapers, because it reached a point where, like, almost 2 years, 1.5 years, let me say so, when Bibi was using diapers every single day of her life until the last breath. She was using diapers. So sometimes buying diapers, for those who understands adult diapers, they are very, very, very expensive on our side. So Bibi used to use them. So she used to be my biggest support also. And also through you guys used to say, oh CJ, how is Bibi doing? You have to have this, you have to have this. Almighty God bless you for all those who stretched their hands to support us financially, and also those who supported us through prayers and advices. Almighty God bless you all. Yeah.
Wow. Thank you for the good work that you did. So, what does the future look like for you? Right from now, we are, this phase is maybe done. This chapter is closed. What does the future look like for you? In your Buhanse, in your traveling world, in what plan do you have? Do you have any plans currently?
The future is me. I see my future is still bright because through this nursing journey of grandma, I have lost a lot of uh, friends. I've lost a lot of subscribers, and I've lost a lot of people. And I came to understood that not all will take you to the last point. Some will drop by. It's like we are in a bus. Some will drop by along the way, and those will go with you till the last time. So me, I can see still my future is bright, and as I finish my stuff back in the village, traveling will be also there. We can, because also I'm a traveler.
I really want to. I really pray. Well, I really pray
Some
that you
days.
start traveling.
No, things will work out.
Oh,
Things will work out, and it's not a forceful thing that you have to, because also it's consuming.
Traveling.
It's consuming,
and it's expensive.
and it's very expensive. So as long as we are breathing, things will come. Also, we also have to balance ourselves, building. We have to check on our staff's land and everything.
Yeah.
So for now, what we need is, like, with me, maybe it might be next year or next year part 1, just a short break where I'll be alone somewhere, just for even a week, and all will be well. But for now,
you need a huge holiday. You need a serious holiday.
Let's work with what is around, and let's deal with what have to be dealt, because we have what we call like big bills ahead. We have kids to go to school, we have house to build, we have car to fuel, we have motorbike to do service, we have farm to farm. It's like it's a lump sum of things. So sometimes when you put life, that need attention. We have Maria back. Hey, Nyasai.
Maria.
So it's a lot. So,
it's a lot.
So I'm always praying to Almighty God to strengthen me and to give me strength and to give me the same brain and expand it according to His will, so
Amen.
that I know what is right as time goes by, because I know the future is bright.
Wow.
Still the star is shining.
Still the star is shining.
Yeah, it's not dark.
Yeah. Okay, that's nice. Well, I wouldn't have so much questions. I wanted to just know how you're doing, and also let my audience or Melo's audience here know how Dada is doing. You know, how is you and Maria doing? Like, how are you bonding with Maria? Hey, tell people a bit. You and Maria, how is it?
Maria is refusing other people, and Maria is only me and my dad. Can just imagine. True. The entire compound. Sometimes even she only goes to the mom because of breastfeeding. Yeah, sometimes. Sometimes I might be away, but the moment Maria will hear Dada is coming, you start to say,
she stops everything. She knows the sound of the motorcycle and the sound of the car. When the car is driving in, she will know. She'll start, even if she was quiet, she'll start crying, so that she knows that people are around. She's such a bubbly, fun girl. She's doing well. She's doing healthy. And we are praying that God gives her life. Sure. And a lot of things. Schools are closed right now. It's the December holidays that are going on. Hopefully we get to Mombasa at some point. You never know. We'll update you on that. Hopefully, maybe we'll be here. You never know. But then now we are praying for the best.
God is always on our side.
Yes.
Yeah, guys. So with me, I want to say thank you for all your time and for the blessings and for each and every one of you. You have been a very great support to us. I'm taking this opportunity to thank you and to say thank you in a million times. I don't know if I can write here. Thank you, guys.
Danke.
Yeah, Danke good. And
Danke schön.
And God bless you all for the lovely support that you have shown us. Not only for Claude yourself, but also if anybody out there has the same situation that I'm undergoing or we have been undergoing, please reach out. And we are here also to support, accordingly, advise and tell you what's going on.
Yes.
So God bless you all, guys. And subscribe also to my YouTube channel at Claude Joseph. You can check us out there. We are doing farming for now and sharing with you what's good on the other side. And also for the new subscribers, even if you haven't watched our journey with Granny, all the videos are there at Claude Joseph. And my lovely wife, thank you so much for this time. And God bless you.
God bless you guys. Thank you. It's been amazing 35 minutes. You guys are amazing. You guys are our rock. We thank you so much for the support, for standing with him and his family, especially his grandmother, you know, for just whatever you did, whatever you sent was very meaningful and was very helpful. May God keep on blessing you. This from us is just to say thank you, and also to let you know how I wanted you guys to know, because most of you have been very worried about how he's doing. So he's rested well. You see, even his skin is glowing. He's well rested, though he needs to eat a bit, and you know, so that he can regain his lost energy. But I know he'll get there. I'll support him to, you know, be there. And also, you know, and just thank you generally for all that you've done with Bibi since you started knowing her until this last minutes, the last days on Thursday. God bless you so much, and we love you and appreciate you. See you on our next interview.
I love you guys.
We love you too.
Bye,
Okay.
guys.